This is Adderall, one of many prescription drugs being abused today. You might ask, what is prescription drug abuse? Well, prescription drug abuse is any misuse of a medication. This includes taking a medication without a prescription, taking a medication to get high, and taking any medication other than the way it's prescribed. The way people misuse drugs generally depends on what they're taking. What prescription drugs are commonly misused? Stimulants, such as Adderall and Concerta, opioids, such as oxycodone, hydromorphone, and oxymorphone, central nervous system depressants, as in sleep aids like Lunesta and Ambien, also benzodiazepines, like Xanax, Valium, and Klonopin. Are prescription drugs safer than street drugs? The answer is yes and no. Yes, because you know exactly what's in it, and there aren't any impurities. And no, because they have the same kind of physical adverse effects that the street drugs do. Opioids have the same effect that heroin would have in the body, and that is that it depresses the respiratory system. This can even stop breathing if one were to overdose. It also affects the cardiovascular system, and it decreases the heart rate. An overdose on sleep aids can be fatal, but with benzos, there have been little to no reported deaths as a result of overusing it. Now, that doesn't mean that it's not dangerous, because combined with alcohol or other drugs, it can be fatal. Abusing stimulants can be quite dangerous. Using a high dosage, they can cause irregular heartbeats, dangerously high body temperatures, and the potential for cardiovascular failure and seizures. There are about 100 deaths every day from overdosing on drugs, whether they're illicit or prescription. Only 39% of the deaths are caused from street drugs, where 45% are caused by prescription drugs. Don't abuse prescription drugs. They could cost you your life. Don't mix your prescriptions. Consult your doctor or pharmacist about how they should be taken and what they can and can't be taken with. These drugs are serious and have a high level of addiction. Only take your prescriptions the way that you're prescribed, and never, ever give your prescriptions out to anybody.